To start, open your browser and head to the link provided in our Telegram group or the pinned comment below. Once you're there, click on the Connect button and wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, click the play icon to start the process. If you see warning pops up, just click Run anyway. Now, give it a few minutes to set everything up. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a public link. Click on it, and voila, you're ready to use Fooocus AI. The interface is simple. Type your prompt into the text box and hit the Generate button. Within a few minutes, you'll see your generated images. By default, it creates 2 images for every prompt. You can download the image by clicking on the download icon. Now, if you're looking for more control, click on the Advanced option. From here, you can adjust how many images you want, pick your favorite file format, experiment with different styles, select specific models, and even fine-tune advanced settings. We'll explore these options in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on what's coming next. See you soon.